Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the fourth subdivision in question 2 of exercise 3.3. Now let us look at the problem. Form a pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by elimination method. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So let us break down the problem first by declaring the variables. So the first step is I'm going to declare the number of 50 rupee notes she got and 100 rupee notes she got from the cashier in terms of a variable. So I'm declaring let number of 50 rupees note, so 50 rupee notes is going to be equal to the variable x for me. The number of 100 rupee note is going to be equal to y. So I have declared the variables x and y like this. Now let's form an equation on top of these variables. The first statement was she got 25 notes in all. So which means when I add x plus y, I should be getting 25. There comes the first equation. Now the second equation is we know that she had withdrawn rupees 2000. So whatever be the number of 50 rupee notes or the 100 rupees note, when you add up all the amount she had withdrawn is rupees 2000. So let's see how much will be the value of 50 rupees notes she would have got. It would be nothing but 50x. Similarly, the amount of money that you would have received in terms of 100 rupees will be 100 into y because that is the variable that we have fixed. Sum of this cannot be other than 2000. So there goes our second equation. So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000 is the second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations by elimination method. So first let's make a note of these equations again. X plus y is equal to 25. 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Since we are going to do it in elimination, one of the coefficients of the two variables should be matching. I'm going to use y for elimination mainly because multiplying by 100 is quite easy. So I'm going to do 100 multiplication to the first equation. So this becomes 100x plus 100y is equal to 2500 because I multiplied everything by 100. So 25 also becomes 2500. Now the second equation 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a subtraction so that this y variable vanishes. So remember I'm changing the sign for every term. So on subtraction this will go away. 100x minus 50x is 50x is equal to 2500 minus 2000 is just 500. So which means x is equal to 500 divided by 50 which is 10. So the value of x is equal to 10. You can find out the value of y from the first equation. So y is equal to 15. Now let us see if our condition matches. X plus y is equal to 25. Obviously that is done. Now let us check. 10 50 rupee notes I get. So 10 into 50 is going to be 500 plus 1500 rupees note I'm going to get. So 15 into 100 is 1500. On adding these two, I get to have the 2000. So both the conditions are matching. So we know that the answer we have derived is also right. So the number of 50 rupee notes is equal to 10 and the number of 100 rupee notes is equal to 15. Please ensure when you finish the problem that you close your arguments with these word statements. Okay. See you in the next video where we will solve the fifth subdivision in this same question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.